Nothing makes one drool like the crispy chicken tenders from KFC. This crunchy delight is all you need to turn that frown upside down. To make KFC chicken tenders, one needs boneless chicken breast cut into strips, flour, buttermilk, hot sauce, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, salt, and canola oil. In a large bowl, marinate chicken breast in a mixture of buttermilk and hot sauce for 30 minutes. Take a separate bowl to mix flour, baking powder, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Take a strip of marinated chicken and dredge it in the flour mixture. Dip the chicken strip in a cold water for 5 seconds and roll it in the flour mixture again. Heat a pot and add oil to it. Now deep fry the chicken until it is golden in color. Just like that, the crackly KFC chicken tender is ready. Serve with red pepper mayonnaise to amp up the heat to the next level. See you in the next video.